Hi everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we will learn about how to fix AirPods not connecting. So to fix this issue, you can start by placing both AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. And wait for 30 seconds, then open the lid. For AirPods Pro 3 and AirPods 4, double tap the middle front of the case until the status light flashes white. Now for all other models, press and hold the setup button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. Now the next what you can do is forget the device and then repair it. On your iPhone, just go to your device. On your iPhone, just go to your settings and then go to Bluetooth. Now find your AirPods in the list and tap the eye icon next to them. Once you tap on it, tap forget this device and then tap forget device to confirm. Now once you do it, place your AirPods case with the lid open and then next to a device and follow the on-screen setup animation. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.